Welcome to our roundup of the best canister vacuum cleaners for home this year. Whether you're struggling to keep your floors dust-free, managing pet hair, or tackling multiple floor types, we've handpicked the top canister vacuums that deliver powerful suction, versatility, and ease of use, all designed to make your cleaning routine faster and more efficient. We'll break down each vacuum's key features like suction power, filtration system, versatility for different floor types, attachments, and maneuverability, so you can find the perfect fit for your home. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest price and deals. Let's dive in and find the ultimate canister vacuum cleaner for you. Starting at number 5 is the Aspirin 1600 Watt Canister Vacuum. Aspirin is known for affordable, high-performance cleaning tools designed for everyday household use. This model is ideal for small to medium homes and apartments, offering reliable cleaning without complicated features. It features a 1,600-watt motor, providing strong suction for both carpets and hard floors. Its compact canister design ensures easy storage, while the adjustable wand and hose system allow you to reach under furniture and into tight spaces effortlessly. Additional perks include multi-surface cleaning brushes and HEPA filtration to trap fine dust and allergens. The Aspirin 1600 Watt Canister Vacuum is praised for its strong suction, lightweight design, and versatility, but some users mention it can be a bit noisy during operation. Overall, it's a great choice for budget-conscious users looking for solid performance in a compact vacuum. Next up at number 4 is the Kenmore 600 Series Canister Vacuum. Kenmore is a trusted brand with decades of experience in home cleaning appliances, and this model is perfect for medium to large homes, especially those with mixed flooring. It includes powerful suction, a HEPA filtration system, and multiple attachments such as a crevice tool, upholstery brush, and dusting brush, making it highly versatile. The flexible hose and telescopic wand allow for ergonomic cleaning, while the large-capacity dustbin reduces the need for frequent emptying. Users love its dependable suction, ease of use, and variety of attachments, though some note the vacuum is slightly heavier than smaller models. Ideal for homeowners seeking a reliable, mid-range canister vacuum with professional-grade features. Coming in at number 3 is the Miele Classic C1 Canister Vacuum, a brand celebrated for premium quality and durability. Covering medium to large homes, it's perfect for households that want high-end cleaning performance and long-lasting appliances. It features powerful suction with adjustable settings, air clean filters, and specialized floor brushes for carpets, hardwood, and tiles. Additional features include automatic cord rewind, ergonomic handle, and accessory storage built into the canister. Its quiet operation makes it ideal for daily use without disturbing household activities. The Miele Classic C1 excels with robust build quality, precise cleaning on all floor types, and quiet efficiency, but some users may notice it comes at a higher price point compared to entry-level models. Overall, it's ideal for homeowners who want a high-performance vacuum that lasts for years. At number 2, we have the Kenmore 400 Series Canister Vacuum Cleaning, designed for heavy-duty home cleaning and versatile use across multiple floor types. Known for Kenmore's reliability and innovative design, it's perfect for larger homes with pets or high-traffic areas. It combines strong suction power, HEPA filtration, and multi-surface cleaning heads, providing effective removal of dust, pet hair, and allergens. The adjustable wand, telescoping tube, and easy glide wheels make maneuvering around furniture and corners seamless. Users appreciate its powerful performance, easy-to-change bags, and versatile attachments, though drawbacks include a larger footprint for storage. Best suited for users needing consistent, high-quality performance for extensive home cleaning. Finally, at number 1 is the Eureka Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner, a premium model offering top-tier performance, user-friendly design, and bagless convenience. Covering small to large homes, it's perfect for modern households seeking efficiency, power, and low-maintenance operation. It includes powerful bagless suction, multi-surface floor head, and HEPA filtration, along with attachments for furniture, crevices, and hard-to-reach areas. Smart features such as adjustable suction settings and easy empty dust canister add convenience and efficiency to your cleaning routine. Its lightweight yet durable design ensures effortless handling around the house. This product shines with powerful suction, ease of use, and versatile cleaning options, though some users note the dust container requires regular emptying. If you want a high-performing, bagless canister vacuum for consistent, hassle-free cleaning, this is the top choice. And that wraps up our top 5 best canister vacuum cleaners for home this year. From the budget-friendly Aspirin 1600 Watt to the reliable Kenmore 600 Series, the premium Miele Classic C1, high-performance Kenmore 400 Series, and versatile Eureka Bagless Canister, there's a vacuum here for every home, floor type, and cleaning need. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. And make sure to check the description for the latest price and deals so you can grab the perfect canister vacuum for your home today. Thanks for watching.